we here with Barry's Grams.
These are 1 of 10.
These are 1 of 10.
1 of 10?
I said these are 1 of 10.
So I sold the LV? Really?
Oh my God, how much you selling for?
Some guy on Instagram.
Make it through the day, I close my eyes and pray again. For my real ones, my real ones, for my real ones, real ones, real ones, for my real ones.
YouTube. So we back here with another video. Today we are at Greater Sneaker Society. Probably event number 8, 9, I don't know. So many of them, I can't keep up. Today we are here. Vending is On Ass Lifestyle, and of course, jumping for kids. Right now, I'm here early. It's time to set up. I'm gonna show y'all this setup right quick.
I'm going and grabbing the chopper, you fuck with my people. You fake ass Ziploc boys, you niggas is see-through. No, you are not on my level, we are not equal. Please stop calling me bro, you're not my people. Keep a 9 in a fully loaded AR for a dummy. You steady wanna know what I'm doing, go get you some.
My dogs just got here. Let me show y'all the setup. We almost there. I got this new sign right here. Comment below. I'll tell you where I got it from. Nah, this the setup. Money on my mind, had lava lamp shorts. My boys over here went crazy. We got all the Supreme ones. They selling already. The early bird. Got the SB. Yeah. The table finna go crazy. Then he got the Lost and Founds over here. Hold on. This all my boy shit too. Levis Kick. If you a real subscriber, you know who he is. If you a real subscriber, you know who this is. It will be in every GSS video. Yeah, we here. Definitely gonna show y'all some more tables. I'm gonna take a little loop around, see what's going on. Just finish this setup first. Tap back in. My man's full setup. Boy, that dude went crazy. How much he got? All the SBs. Ready? He got the lightning steel cell. Or thunder, should I say. Yeah. Hey, that boy went crazy. This the perfect link up right here, boy. Y'all boys went crazy. Look at this table. Look at this table. He said, you know what the fuck going on. That ain't even everything. Y'all boys look good, goddamn it. My boy still picking up.
I'm slow as hell.
Yeah, them the Kentucky, right?
Yeah.
I mean, you ain't that slow. What time is it?
No, you good.
The shit just, nope, it's 11:45. You good. You right on time, my boy. Let me show you what we got. Slow feet don't eat joint. Yeah. Of course, I got the racing tee. Another slow feet don't eat. These some little one-on-ones just to, you know, see some people want them. Look. Wow. Yeah, niggas ain't got the blue. Niggas ain't got this either.
I mean, I just see the tie-dye. That's
Yeah.
going crazy.
Yeah.
Going crazy.
Niggas ain't got that.
Going crazy.
So I'm gonna come with these some more though. Comment below if y'all like these. We'll definitely come with some more of them. Yes, sir.
Let me see. Can you go look?
Yeah, exactly.
I got a 9.5.
I got kids. I just spent $350 on shoes today,
Motherfuckers
man.
nice.
So that's what I'm saying.
What's them on
Chrome
the right?
ball. Yeah.
I know them the undefeated.
Yeah, chrome ball incidents. I'm trying to debate what I want to spend today altogether. Like them. I've been wanting them on your feet for a long time. I got the blue and white ones.
Oh, I got the Oregon too.
Crazy.
Y'all know who we here with, Barry's Grams.
These are 1 of 10.
These are 1 of 10.
1 of 10?
I said these are 1 of 10. What are these called? Them lobsters, ain't they?
The oil spills.
Oil spill.
Size 13. How you fuck? How the fuck did you find these? I got connections though.
I said they need to change the shoes.
I had to. I sold the LVs. Really?
Oh my God, how much you selling
Some
for?
guy on Instagram, 8,300.
God damn. Sold the LVs for 8,300. Throw on another $8,000 shoe.
That's what's up. Oh my God.
YouTube, as you can see, I changed my shirt. Slow feet don't eat. We wrapping it up. The event about over. Made some nice sales today. A lot of people was cashing out on the glasses, for real, for real. Which surprised me. I sold probably 6 pairs of glasses. Sold a couple shirts. My boy here packed the wagon. This all your shit? This dude here. I see you trying to get rid of all this. Boy, still got a couple shits left. Yeah. Event was a success. Definitely was a success. Tap the fuck in.
Later that same evening.
What the fuck is wrong with your girl? Look at this shit. This is St. Louis. This is Sexy Red got St. Louis. Boy, they tripping. Oh shit. She tripping. She tripping. Looking for the hoes. They tripping. This shit funny as hell. Content. It's content for your ass. Bro, what is they on? They tripping. This bitch tripping, cuz. This shit
They do
funny
laughing
as
at
hell.
their ass. Oh, they just trying to control the crowd and shit.
Whatever the fuck happened.
So I get out of here.
Going on?
Move around.
Move the fuck around. What the Mark said they in this shit?
In that silver fountain.
Move the fuck around. Move the fuck around.
He's right through that bar, man.
Exactly. Move the fuck around. It's a Hellcat though. You hear that motherfucker? Hit that bitch. Hit that bitch.
My life be moving fast, it feels just like a whirlwind. Niggas broke but wanna know what the word is. She doing this, she probably working on her 3rd kid. How you the plug but you don't know what a shirt is. I got the drop, yeah, I know you work on 3rd shift. stress, I bust my way outside the scat. Don't get nervous, baby, stuff it in your fanny pack. I'm on the grind, ain't got the time, yeah, I'm chasing racks. I'm on the grind, going broke, man, I can't go back. They call my phone, I'm moving wherever that paper at. Every stack you count, I wrap it with a rubber band. That money counter, BB, that mean all them hundreds shells. I bust my way outside the scat. Don't get nervous, baby, stuff it in your fanny pack. I'm on the grind, ain't got the time, yeah, I'm chasing racks. I'm on the grind, going broke, man, I can't go back. They call my phone, I'm moving wherever that paper at. Every stack you count, I wrap it with a rubber band. That money counter, BB, that mean all them hundreds jams. That money counter, BB, that mean all them hundreds jams. That money counter, BB, that mean all them hundreds jams.
I see you at the show when you was spinning that motherfucker. Oh, that thing. I got a camera on my shit right now. You saw the time? Yeah. I'm trying to say these. Now, you know what you good.
My role, I don't need friends. My life be moving fast, it feels just like a whirlwind. Niggas broke but wanna know what the word is. She doing this, she probably working on her third kid. How you the plug but you don't know what a shirt is. I got the drop, yeah, I know you work on third shift. New ball off the light, yeah, I can skirt this. I be talking all these numbers on some nerd shit. We go both for both, we can have a versus. Trap back to back, phone jumping jacks. We ain't tripping off no stress, I bust my way outside the scat. Don't get nervous, baby, stuff it
I'm on the grind, going broke, man, I can't go back. They call my phone, I'm moving